Okay, so we made our way to the Galveston Railroad Museum, right? Huh? So we'll see how cool this is. I think it's 12 bucks for adults and then $6 for the kids a piece. So we're gonna go check this out and see what it's about. I don't know. Not really anybody here, but.
It's a nasty car.
Yeah.
What is?
Our car. I think it needs wash. What do you think? Look at that.
Hey, get your cars and let's go, please.
See, it says employees only.
What?
It says employees only.
What is employees? That. What is employees?
Employee.
What is an
That means the people who work
What
here.
is an employee? All over the island. It's these art sculptures that are made out of trash that they recovered from the ocean.
Oh. So this is trash that was all in the ocean.
Look at that. I spy several shoes.
Wow.
This is Brody, a deli.
Looks like a lot of boat parts.
There are all sculptures like this all over the island. I don't know how many there are, but the whole thing, art still, is called Washed Ashore.
This is where the driver sits.
Is that right?
Yeah. They put this on this one too. This is the fast speed.
Okay.
And this is to turn it off.
Gotcha.
Actually, to turn this.
How do you know so much?
Because I watched that. Because I watched the trains. Those train things.
Awesome. So.
And those are buses that roller train. And a bike that going.
Man, you just know all about your trains, don't you?
And that's a person. That's a that driver.
It did?
Careful.
Whoa.
And this can move.
You're so strong.
Say cheese.
It's a rail hotel.
Oh, can we go up the steps?
No, it's locked up. It's a hotel though.
Yeah, but can he go up there and stand?
Yeah, he can go up there and stand. You can go all the way up there, buddy.
I'll-
Say choo choo.
Choo choo, chugga chugga choo choo.
Hold on.
This is how they used to sort it. See, look, here's a picture, Rudy. So this is what it used to look like. So they would sort melon here and put it in these slots. This is like Harry Potter.
This is, well, and do you hear what Sissy said? This is like our bed because it's like a
Like tiny homes.
balcony.
Yeah, look, it's got a little bathroom and. What? Wow.
Can we go up here?
Sure. So people used to just ride in these guys.
Can we sit on this?
Mm-hmm.
Guys, there's no room to walk in.
Pretty cool.
On the other side. Hey, I dig it. If you like museums and learning about like
Mm-hmm.
history and things, I mean, I think this is totally worth it. It was 12 bucks a piece for adults and $6 for the kids.
Yeah, it's 36 bucks total, but this is Arlo's element right now.
And I think we've already been here for going on an hour, maybe?
Yeah.
So, I mean, I think it's pretty cool.
Arlo, you having fun with this?
Yes.
Yes.
The statues in there for us to see.
So that's what they would look like.
Mom, why are they just statues?
Statue?
Ah!
Pick a statue you want to take a picture with.
Mom,
What is it? Oh no! That one looks like it might be broken. Oh look, they have that's an old-timey carriage, Sissy, with the baby in it.
It does stink in here.
It pretty much stinks the whole tour. Everything is very, very old.
We're about to speed way up.
Y'all are gonna be going super fast.
Blow the horn, pull the bell out, pull it out, and then pull this down.
Did you hear that, bud? Oh man.
oh yeah.
Bell ring. You want to ring the bell, buddy? Okay, so pull that out, and pull this down. Pull this down.
Don't touch that one, Sissy. That's what she said not to
this one,
touch.
this one.
What?
That's the brake.
Oh, okay.
So you can slow it down.
So fast.
Well, we're going as fast as it goes. It's the bottom of it first. Alright.
Move your arm.
Man, look how fast we're going. Go easy, bud.
He just needs help, baby. Easy, Sissy.
Alright. That's cool, huh?
Can we play?
Well, you can't touch it.
Can't touch this. This is only for
it's a
looks.
train
so I
model.
can lift you up and you can see all the cool cars. Those old-timey cars in the town. Pretty neat. Little place. There's a couple there, and then there's a whole case over here.
Okay.
Yeah, right in front of you.
Oh, Bubba can hear something.
Oh, I can hear Bubba.
Can you hear something? Yes
Yeah.
or no? Rudy?
Yeah.